Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Reddy and Sultan. This is a game from Sharjah Masters tournament played in 2018. Reddy had white pieces and he started with d4. Sultan played knight to f6, c4, e6, going for the Nimzo Indian defense. Maybe. White to move, knight to f3 was played. If knight to c3, then bishop to b4. This is an Nimzo Indian defense. Reddy played the knight to f3, but now b6. If bishop to b4 check, then bishop to d2, Bogo Indian defense, which player with the black pieces didn't want to play. So we have b6, white to move. a3 was played, controlling b4 square. Who plays this move? Is this a good move? Top level players like Karpov, Kasparov and Kramnik played this move. So it must be good. And the rumor says that once a known player, known as NN, played this move too. He was nearly winning. He was choosing a way to checkmate his opponent, but lost on time. So he reminded a known player. Back to our game. Bishop to a6, attacking the pawn on c4. Queen to c2. Bishop to b7. This is a popular book line. Knight to c3. c5, attacking white center. e4, threatening d5. C takes on d4, knight takes on d4, black to move. In this position, often black plays bishop to c5, but quite often d6 is played. You can't play d6 first and then bishop to c5. Player with the black pieces was sitting on a fence and could not choose between bishop to c5 and d6, so he played knight to c6, knight takes on c6, bishop takes on c6, bishop to f4, black to move. Knight to h5 was played. Bishop to c5 is a very popular move, but knight to h5 is quite often played too, attacking the bishop on f4. Bishop to e3, bishop to c5, white to move. Bishop takes on c5 is quite often played. Reddy played queen to e2, also attacking the knight on h5. Bishop takes on e3, queen takes on e3, d6, bishop to e2, attacking the knight, knight to f6, and Reddy castled queenside, lining the rook with the black queen. Queen to e7. Black is still deciding which way to castle, but Reddy helped him to make up his mind. After g4, this is discouraging castling kingside. So Sultan castled queenside. f4. White is enjoying more space. How important is that? Queen to b7. Pressure is on the pawn. On e4. Bishop to f3. Black to move. What is the best move for black? Player with the black pieces knew that his king would be safer on b8, but he was worried about rook to d2 and rook from h to d1. Okay, king to b8. This is what player with the black pieces was worried about. After rook to d2, and what now? Queen to e7, rook from h to d1. It is very difficult to play d5, although e5 is possible. Back to our game. Player with the black pieces, Sultan, thought that this was his last chance to play d5. White captured the pawn with c-pawn, e takes on d5, e takes on d5, knight takes on d5, knight takes on d5, and black is in trouble. Rook takes on d5 was played. Bishop takes on d5 is also losing. Rook takes on d5. White played obvious. Bishop takes on d5. Bishop takes bishop. White played a move and black resigned. And the move is queen to c3, check. Black resigned. If king goes to b8, then queen to e5, check. And after king to a8, queen takes bishop. Let's go back. How about bishop to c6? How can white win now? What would you do? Then white plays rook to d6. If king defends the bishop, what now? If you don't have enough pieces to attack, you have to bring more pieces. Now rook to c8, everything is losing. Rook to c8, intending king to b8. How would you continue now? The best move for white is, I think you can play also queen to e5, but rook to d7 check is good enough. After king to b8, you can give check, and after king to a8, you just collect the queen, and after bishop takes rook, check, king to b1, and I guess we can stop here. The rumor says that player with the white pieces won because he was ready, and player with the black pieces wasn't. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.